I've got some sad news. Hey guys, so I am so excited to share. Izzy, what's going on, huh? What's going on? You have some babies that are growing up? Look who's out of the box. Can he get back in? We might need to put a little step there or something so that he can climb up. Because that's a tall jump. Hey, cute little fat piggy. When I got home, he was laying out here and Mama was laying with him, keeping him safe. All the others are in the box still. All right, little guy. We gave you a step. See if you can figure it out. See how smart this little piggy is. Well, that one's not too smart. She's trying to eat it. Hey, little piggy. I know. Izzy's warning me. Oh, okay. Now you got to get used to that brick being there, huh?
Mama, you need to take your baby in there. Your baby's shouldn't be out here.
Yeah, there's too many dangerous things out here at night.
Little boy, go get in there, little boy. Take your baby in there. There you go. Go in there.
Oh, he's just gonna lay down. He's like, I can't do it. Hey, cute little piggy. Well, the little guy never did figure it out, so I ended up sitting in that chair right there waiting for him to come by and stand up on his hind legs, and then I just kind of flipped him into the box where he belonged. Mama's calling y'all for dinner.
Yeah, you need to get in there. You're going to miss out.
Oh, so stinking cute. Each day the piglets get a little bit more brave and start to venture out a little bit more. I've had the most fun checking in on them on my security cameras from work and seeing them as they get in, get out, run around and play with each other, and Mama's just keeping an eye on all of them, and she's doing a really good job. Little Fiona just hasn't been doing very well, and so Daryl brought her in because she was really weak and not really getting up to feed or anything like that. So I had her inside for a while, and she just was acting like she wanted to eat and like she wanted to cuddle with her brothers and sisters. So I figured back with Mama is the best place for her. She was doing okay when I put her back, but I was noticing that whenever she would latch on to eat, one of the other babies would knock her off, or Izzy would get up and move. So I also noticed that the other babies were kind of picking on her a little bit. So I decided it was safest to leave her in there overnight and check on her in the morning and just kind of gauge her progress from there. I was really encouraged when I got up the next morning and saw that not only had she made it through the night, but she was snuggled up on top of the Piglet pile. Well, I've got some sad news. Little Fiona just wasn't strong enough and she didn't make it. She just wasn't growing. And she's just getting weaker and weaker, so her brothers and sisters were starting to pick on her and just kind of like trample on her and stuff like that. And anytime she would try to get something to eat, they would push her away. So poor little girl. Poor Fiona. Sweet baby that I totally would have kept as a house pig if she had made it. But I guess that's life on the farm. Not everything is always going to make it. And as sad as it is, that's just farm life. It's getting warm, so Mama's treating herself to a spa day. Does that feel good, Izzy? I think I might actually like that right now. It is warm today, isn't it? All right, let's see how much you know about pigs. I've got a little trivia question for you, and you can put your answer down in the comments. I will give you the answer at the end of this video. I'm also going to choose a winner, and if you're a winner, I'll reach out to you and figure out how to get your prize to you. So here's the question. Why do pigs roll around in the mud? Is it A, for temperature regulation, B, skin protection, C, parasite control, or D, all of the above? Make sure you stick around to the end of the video to get the answer. So the little guys have figured out how to get through over that board over onto their daddy's side. At least one of them has figured that out anyway. I don't know how many others. But when I came out this morning, the guy in the corner, the big one, he was over there. And man, he's so big compared to the others. I don't know if you can tell from the video, but he's a big boy. But anyway, he was over there. He was just hanging out with Dad. Dad was not bothering him. So I'm guessing, and this is nothing that I've read, this is just things that I've learned from experience. Apparently the as long as Mom's not there, Dad's going to be okay with the babies. Because he had no interest in hurting them or anything. They were just hanging out. You guys are so cute. We've got a little fight going on over here. So I came in to help. And Bambino is chasing me around in circles. All right. I don't know. Please don't run into me. Don't eat my toes. We got to get you guys straightened out here. Bambino. Relax. Hey. Hey, boy. My toes are not food. I can't help your brother with you chasing me around here. Hey. All right, guys. Enough of this. Yeah, you come over here so I can help your brother. Hey, you guys. Why are you being so mean to each other, huh? You need to stop. Don't eat my toes. Playing tag with the tortoise. Unfortunately, he's always it. He won't let me chase him. Who needs to go to the gym today, huh? Hey, Rocky. Hey, sweets. Bambino. Hey. I'm just trying to catch you.
He sees me now.
Hi, dear Lucky.
Nope.
Oh, sorry. So sorry.
They all gotta get in at one time. Is that the one that was tipped over right there? Yeah. He looked like he was trying to get his
bearings back.
I need to get the wagon so these guys can get food.
You ever gonna get tired? Hi, sweets. Uh-oh. Am I gonna have two chickens in here? Building a little racetrack here.
And he's got marks. He's got.
All right, sweets, you joining in? You getting our exercise today?
Hey, Rocky.
You're taking a shortcut. How fair is that?
They say that turtles are slow. I don't think so. Not
You
these.
should have seen Pebbles earlier. One of the big boys was mounting him. Oh, you see that, don't you? Ow.
There he goes.
And as soon as he got off, Pebbles went running, and oh man, he's going fast.
There he goes behind you.
All right. And now comes Lucky.
Rocky's pyramids went down.
Yep, Rocky's looking really good.
Almost looks like Pearl.
What is in there?
Blandino just ran over Rocky. He's hiding now. Rocky is this one right here. The one who's got his head tucked away because he got scared.
Your brother's weird, you know that? Your brother's just weird. Okay, I think I've had enough of that.
Here they come.
Well, it's day one of trying to get the piglets used to me. I'm sitting in their box with them. One just went through over to Dad's side, so they're not liking this too much, but they've got to get used to it. See, there's the one that went over there. You guys are okay. It's okay. And it's hot out here. I am. How appropriate. I'm sweating like a pig. And they're panting too. So the goal is, of course, first to get them used to me, and then get them comfortable to the point where they will start walking over to me and letting me touch them. Not gonna try to pick them up, especially not while I'm in here where Izzy could probably come and attack me if she wanted to. But just to get them used to me and let them see that I am not a threat to them. Of course, I need to move my leg now, and that's going to freak them out, so let's just do it. Oh, that was good. They didn't flinch. Guys, I wish you could be in here with me and see these little guys, how cute they are.
No. Bo? No. Bo!
You guys are okay.
Down. You know I see you. You didn't think I saw you, huh? He's like, oh no.
Izzy's eating right now, and I wonder how she's going to feel about this once she gets finished. Eventually, they all laid down, and some of them even closed their eyes to go to sleep. So I don't think they would have done that if they weren't comfortable with me being there. So I guess I can consider day one of proximity training a success. today's video is sponsored by Simplicity by Homestead. No, my channel is not big enough to attract sponsors yet, so I am going to sponsor myself. Back in December, I started using a new product on my skin, and I really liked the way it made it feel, and I decided I wanted to try to learn how to make it myself. So that's what I did. So I'd like to introduce to you the first in the line of Simplicity by Homestead, and this is a tallow balm. If you're not familiar with tallow balm, tallow is made from the fat of beef cows, and it is so nutritious and nourishing for your skin. Tallow is, it contains vitamins and fat cells that are very similar to our own, so it absorbs really well and just leaves your skin really soft. Like I said, I've been using it since December on my face, and I prior to that was using a prescription compound for my rosacea, but since I've been using it, I haven't had any rosacea problems at all. So it's just a nice consistency, and you just rub it in and it absorbs into your skin within a few minutes. It doesn't leave you feeling greasy or anything like that. So it's really nice. Just leaves my skin feeling really soft. So I've got a few jars available. These are 2-ounce jars, and this is, like I said, the first one that I've made, and it is the Summer Citrus Blend. So it's got a slight citrusy scent to it. The 2-ounce jar is $20. So I've got a few jars available. If anyone is interested, just let me know and I will get one out to you. Hey guys, so I am so excited to share something. I know that the dogs are barking, but that's what got my attention. And I was gonna include in today's video something sad, but I heard Maggie doing her talking, and I came out to check what was going on. And guys, our lost tortoise. Hey, leave it. Leave it. Oh goodness. Okay guys, I am so sorry for that extremely raw footage. I was in the process of getting ready for the day, and that's when Maggie sounded her alarm, so I had to come out and see what the ruckus was all about, and I was so excited to see that Ian had reappeared. I was gonna share in the video that he was missing and we didn't know where he was, but he'd been gone for about a week, but we didn't know how he got out. He's, you know, not the smallest and he's not the biggest, so you'd think that the others would have been able to get out too, but everybody else was right where they belonged. So I'm not sure what happened, but I'm just glad he's back where he belongs now. And right now he's hanging out with Pearl and Morla. All right, time for the answer for the quiz. So the answer is actually D, all of the above. The rolling around in the mud does help with them controlling their temperature. Pigs don't have any sweat glands, so it just helps to cool off their skin, and as it evaporates, it just, you know, has a cooling property to it. Kind of like when you get out of the swimming pool on a hot day and you stay cool for a little while because that is evaporating and it's cooling your skin. B is skin protectant. You know, we put sunscreen on when we go outside. Well, just like us, pigs have sensitive skin and they need to protect it. So that mud provides kind of a natural sunscreen for them. And then C is parasite control. Rolling around in the mud helps to remove parasites like ticks and mites, and it just kind of helps contribute to their overall health and well-being. So if you got the answer right, I am going to be doing a drawing a little bit later, and I'll reach out to the winner. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you're subscribed to our channel, click that like button, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos.